something we can use that will take us to Crocodile Lake really fast? Right, a car! That's our friend,
Well,
Tico the
Mr.
squirrel.
McSquinty, my brother and I need to head into those waters to get Bob's fishing pole.
There's an island in the center of this lake, Snapper Island. A mound of stones covered in gooey green glop. That's where it's rumored old Snapper's hideout is.
To get Tico to stop, let's say para. Can you say para?
Most likely, that's where you'll find Bob's fishing pole.
Say para. Louder. Para.
Thanks, Quinty.
Para?
You're a huge help.
Wait a minute there. For two little pups like you to make it all the way to the island,
It worked.
you're gonna need a boat.
He stopped. Thanks for saying para.
Like that one?
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Boots, Dora.
Okay, Rolly.
Hola,
Our mission is to
amigos.
find a boat that's
Hola,
just right
Tico.
for us and
Hi,
take it to
Tico.
Snapper Island and get
¿Nos
Bob's fishing
puedes
pole
llevar
back.
en tu
Come
carro?
on, Rolly.
Oh,
Thanks, Quinky
sí.
McSquinty.
Con mucho
Good luck,
gusto,
pups.
amigos. Con mucho
You're
gusto.
gonna need it.
Come on, let's all put on our seatbelts. Seatbelts. So we can be safe. Vamos, Tico, vamos. Go, Tico, go.